If you are a Flutter developer and looking to increase your application development speed, then here are some strategies that I would like to share with you. Let's dive into it. Tip number 1. Understand your IDE more. Using Android Studio newest version, Jellyfish provides Gemini AI as a built-in tool. Solve any bug while writing the code. Don't forget to check its built-in plugins like ADB Wi-Fi, Flutter snippets, rainbow brackets, and others. Learn at least a single new trick of your IDE every day. In the end of year, you will be yours IDE master. Tip number 2. Practice declarative approach instead of imperative approach. Imperative approach leads to more code and bugs, increasing development time. Declarative approach would help you to face less bugs, more readable, and less code. Google it now for more details. Tip number 3. Always break down complex UIs into smaller, independent, and reusable widgets. This would help in code reuse, maintainability, and scalability. Organize your code base using well-defined folders with logical names. Tip number 4. Dive deep into the concepts of your state management technique. I mostly use GetX, and practicing of bindings using GetX decreased my development time, especially managing memory to avoid leakages with improved testability. Tip number 5. Spend your layer time wisely. Explore existing packages available on pub.dev. Some can minimize completion of complex tasks 10x times like Responsive Builder package. But don't forget to check its issues on GitHub repository in order to learn whether its developer is maintaining the package or not, so you could avoid future potential and technical issues. Tip number 6. Before creating any functionality inside your app, think of it as if this feature will allow your future apps to reuse it. If yes, create a package for this. Upload it to pub.dev, help others, and come back whenever you want to use this. I have used my own built 2CSV package in more than 10 plus projects. Tip number 7. Automate the delivery of your application. I prefer Fastlane for this. I have given the link in video description if you want to know more about this. Tip number 8. Finally, don't forget to check out blackbox.ai. This tool creates any screen code for you in minutes. And don't forget to follow me. Thank you so much.